ever wanted to show a summarized version of your schedule to a boss or project board? Or have you ever needed to show a filtered version of your project schedule to a specific colleague or to show a specific function? Well, using outlines and filters can be the way to go here. And in this 3.5 minute video, we'll show you how to do this so you can show the right parts of the schedule to the right people. We might wonder, well, what first of all are outlines and how can this benefit us? Well, in your ribbon, click on the View ribbon there, and you'll notice here there is an outline. And this helps to filter or differentiate all the various steps in the hierarchy of your schedule. So for example, if we're going to go to level 1, straight away it just goes to the overall project from start to finish. It doesn't really provide a great deal of information. But imagine if you had multiple projects. You could certainly use the outline level 1, and that could just give you a really high level or bird's eye view of the projects you've got within a given program. The next step, or next level down, is level 2. And as you might recall, this summarizes all of the summary tasks within the particular project. So this gives us a little bit more information, and it could be suitable to senior management to once again provide just the high level steps that are required within a particular project, good for reporting purposes. And then you can simply keep going down until you go to level 3, or if you were, say for example, at level 1, you want to jump straight to ensure you have all subtasks shown, simply click on all subtasks and all of the tasks within the project are presented there. So a quick and easy way to present information to those who really are only interested in high level information. Now, the filter function within the View ribbon is also something that can similarly be used to provide targeted information to particular members of your wider project team. So at the moment we've got no filters selected, so simply go and look at the range in which your filter can apply. So say for example you're only interested in milestones. It'll just go straight up and roll up all of the milestones within your project. What is if you wanted to have a one-on-one discussion with a team member? How could you communicate this? Well, in Filter, go down to Using Resource, and then you're presented with a question. Show tasks using, and then you can, for example, go to Joanne, click OK, and all of a sudden you are presented with all of the tasks that have Joanne's name on it. Even if she's working on that with other team members, it will provide a filtered view of everything that that particular resource is involved with. So you can see a very quick and easy way to start to communicate key items. Very easy, just pivot to other resources. So we go to John, for example, and the same thing can apply there. So rather than giving away too much, sometimes in project management, less is more. And when you have those one-on-one discussions, it's a nice tool to add to the repertoire in utilizing your project scheduling in a more meaningful manner. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe, and please let me know too if you have subscribed or you have any further feedback. We'd love to hear from you.